Hey guys, welcome back to BDR Garage. I want to show you a little something. It's kind of a pastime, high performance part for electrics. This actually was off of a MX350. So you basically plug this little sucker in, and it didn't have that. I had to add that in, so I made one out of just crap I had. But you basically add this in series with most people have an old nickel 7.2 volt battery, 1500 amp. They're pretty small, but it can give you, as they say, plus 5, so 5 more miles an hour. But I used to use it for when my kids' batteries would die. We would plug this battery in. I'd have it taped to the forks. Plug this sucker, unplug this, plug that in, and it would give it an extra 5 to 10 minutes more ride time. That alone is key. But if you just run this with the fresh charged batteries, you can usually get, I think we saw 4 miles an hour, but 4 or 5 miles an hour. I think this is an older battery, so. But you can mix, you're not supposed to ever mix chemistries, but you can technically mix nickel with lead acid. Don't ever mix this with lithium, or lead acid or nickel with lithium, ever. Do not do that. But nickel and lithium, or nickel and lead acid, you can get away with. So this is the kit. I'm actually going to probably start making more of these because I can get, it's just a 12, I think it's 12 gauge, 12 or 10, but I think that's 12 gauge wire. Couple connectors. You gotta, because it would come like this, and I might sell these. I think they used to sell these for 15 bucks. And then you just need one of these batteries, which a lot of people have laying around. So, just so you know, if you can see it, see how that's wired in. I know it's all red, so you can't tell what's positive, what's negative, but you figure that out, and you judge it by this. Always judge it by any batteries you're going to add in, and then figure out how you're going to add that into that vehicle. So that's it. Hopefully that helps somebody. Again, I'm going to make more of these, and I'm going to put them on a few of my toys that are not modified with lithium or overvolted. And yeah, that'd be a good thing. So hopefully that helps somebody. And again, these batteries are pretty damn cheap. And most people have them laying around. I do. Thanks, guys. See you next time.